Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. This video is about the making of Squid Game challenge. Firstly, I'm preparing here for the honeycomb challenge, and for that you need sugar, baking powder, like baking soda preferably, and that's it. Yeah, you need some cookie cutters as well to make different shapes out of it. So just melt the sugar on the pan. See, it is starting to caramelize. It seems like it's almost done. Time to take it off from the stove and add baking soda in it. So here I have added baking soda, and see, it suddenly starts to actually settle down. So you have to be quick, otherwise it can get burned. I'm just pouring small amounts of that caramel, and I'll give it some shapes. I have star, heart and circle shapes with me. Now I'm just trying to smooth it a bit to give it some even shape. Now I'm using my cookie cutters to give it some shape. Don't press it too hard because we don't want a complete cut. Now the shapes are ready. I'll make few more and then we are ready for the honeycomb challenge. Yeah, there is some mess as well. So now it's time to make that card. That invitation card in the Squid Games with the phone number on it. So I'm using the milk pack carton for that because it had to be brown in color, as in the season it was in brown color. See, this is the one which I'm talking about, and then I have to write the number at the back of it as well. I have copied the exact same number which was actually written on that. So now it's time to make the mask of the color. My nephew is helping me with that. Seems like we are all set. Let the game begin.